Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? How's up? Hope everybody had a great weekend. That you feeling good and great this morning. Anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. Lord, yo, we just gotta talk about politics and these laws that these people are making, which is disgusting. And who is presenting these laws is always Caucasian males. Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ. Why in Tennessee they're trying to pass a law where you can get married. You can get married at any age. Like there's no age restriction. What the fuck you mean? So they pushing this pedophilia shit, child marriage shit. Seeing this coming from these court kids. Y'all listen, if y'all don't be paying attention to what the fuck is going on and how all these laws fucking affects you, and also seeing the big picture. Although, of course, they put it out there lightly, like, there's no restrictions on when you can get married and all this old shit. So some nasty, which they do in other motherfucking countries. Like I have this conversation before about in Africa, how and other, well, I know about in Africa. Oh, in other places too, where they can marry these young girls, like, or they like in the villages or whatnot, and they can't claim they're giving them a better life, and they like little girls, 14-year-old girls marrying some grown ass nasty ass man that's like fucking 50, 40, something, 30, whatever the fuck. You a grown ass man. And then the funny part is I was having a conversation with one of my African friends, and he was like, nah, they're not having sex with him. Now you out your fucking mind, bitch. If that motherfucking so-called man is calling this little girl his motherfucking wife, you best believe he's motherfucking fucking her. Like, man, you should have no say. Like, really. Let the women handle this shit. As far as the laws go, when it is involving women, let them spearhead this shit. Why are you doing it? You're not a woman. You don't know what we feel. Like, what the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Then in Oklahoma, they trying to do, where they was also doing somewhere in Texas, do away with the abortion shit, making it illegal for somebody to have an abortion. Who the fuck are you? This ain't somebody. See, but this is the big picture, though. See, Caucasian, their population, although, the censor shit, y'all gotta watch this censor, the way that how they got that censor. If you ever felt that shit, I'm like, pay attention to that shit, right? And so their numbers are dwindling. However, they would say that they like, what, 60-some% of the, whatever the fuck the shit is, right? But their motherfucking numbers are dwindling in the population, right? And so they don't want their women, and their women are having the abortions, to have no abortions, because see, they won't be the head of the population. So they say, then you can't even really believe that, because you know what, Caucasian motherfucker, I believe, because you motherfuckers be lying all the motherfucking time. So it's a big picture. Even your motherfucking president said the shit. He was like, this country is this is his words, not word for word, but it was similar to this fact. This country is gonna be doomed, and he said not because of, I don't know if he said blacks or he said African Americans, but one of those words, not because of them, and it's because their women is having abortions and they're not producing children. Man, listen. For y'all, those that want to get in politics, I really suggest that, and highly suggest that you do, like on some fucking level, especially like to be able to pass law. Like, are you fucking kidding me? You can't make no decision if I'm no woman. You're not a woman, man. See, but then again, see, it's a big picture. See, if you don't see the big picture, you will get lost in the situation. You understand what I'm saying? And the big picture is that, and then also the job peep that a lady in Texas, I believe she was Hispanic, who she was Hispanic, and they put her in jail because she had an abortion. I guess she took the morning after pill or whatever the fuck she did, and they put her in jail. But luckily she was able to get out. Maybe it was a motherfucking one night stand and she was fucking somebody or it's with somebody. She ain't got no money to raise. These are just my theories. I'm just throwing some shit. Who knows what the fucking reason for her not wanting to have a motherfucking a child at this particular time? Yes, should we all practice safe sex and shit like that? Yes, but then when you're in the moment, it's easy to say that right now, but when you're in the moment, you can easily find yourself lost in it. You know, in consensual sex. And there are also women, girls, don't allow guys to coax you into that shit. Like, no, I can't feel it, or, you know, I love you, or, you know what I'm saying, or whatever the fuck. Like, bitch, no, you will strap on that motherfucking condom. As a matter of fact, bitch, let me help you. I'll put it on with my mouth. You know what I'm saying? I'll help you out. That'll even soothe it for you. And then on top of that, motherfucker, if you like seriously thinking, and you have to seriously think, you don't know who this motherfucker is fucking. It be a lot of motherfuckers who be fucking dudes too, girl. Yeah. And fucking females, and they bisexual or whatever the fuck, or won't even say that they bisexual. So you just gotta be careful. The point is Caucasian man. Let me tell y'all something. Sit your little ass down some motherfucking way. You don't have no, I mean, well, did I understand like what y'all trying to do? Because, you want your population to continue to grow. See, this is the fuck shit. But then Caucasian women, y'all need to stand up. Like they try, but then again, they enforce this shit on everybody, and then also the pedophilia of it all. Like, you know, that the kids can marry some grown ass motherfucking man or some nasty ass grown ass woman with some little ass fucking kid. Now that I just do not understand, but everybody is fucking different, and I don't. Hey, like, you know what I'm saying? So the shit is crazy, people. Like, seriously. Yo, let me know what y'all think about that. Do y'all feel that it's okay for them to bring laws forward like that? The anti-abortion law, which I think is, it kind of happened in Texas, and they doing it in Tennessee and in Oklahoma. How or I can't remember, whatever. You can marry somebody at a whatever, like it don't even fucking matter how old they are. Like, just come through. Y'all want to get married? It's all good. You know what I'm saying? So who knows? This girl could be a fucking runaway or some shit. Like in a desperate situation or some shit. What the fuck? Like, yo, a kid. A kid is not ready for no shit like that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this shit. And then, like I said, also how they were talking about Ketanji Jackson Brown, who I didn't know. When I found out she was married to a Caucasian, I said, well, god damn. But I'm just like, whatever. Hey, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, how they was on her when they was questioning her about how she was so lenient with the with the sexual assault cases when she was a judge and all that other shit. She just following motherfucking protocol, bitch. That's a fact in this motherfucking country. The fuck is you talking about? There be so many dudes who have raped women, who have sexually assaulted children, and a lot of and they do a little bit of time and get right back out. Are you fucking serious? But yet they want to put that shit on her. Y'all gotta see the shit. Like, it's always a big picture. It's not just like, right there. It's not just that. The shit is enormous. What do y'all think about that shit? Do y'all think that they should have a law where anybody can get married at any age? And also, do you feel that that about the abortion laws? What do y'all think about that? That they can tell a woman, regardless if this woman, you know, it could be so many different reasons of why a woman don't want to have a child at this particular time. That it's okay for the government to say, you are, regardless of whatever the circumstances are for you, which you still gotta have this fucking child. What do y'all think about that shit? And then also you think about, yo, I was just watching something, was like, so I know I'm like, but it's all interconnected, right? It was this documentary, and it was about Oakland, California, and it was like like about 4 different situations, right? And it was this one young girl who was 19 years old, nice looking girl, who had to prostitute herself. Why? Because her father was, I don't know if that was her father. Yeah, that was her father. He had gotten sick and they was about to get put out their house, so she had to figure out how to make some money. So this is what she did. And the dude that was pimping her, he actually had a family. He had a wife. He had a daughter. I was just like, yo, what the fuck? Then there was also a black guy who was homeless. He could be like in his 20s or something like that. And he was just running around, just homeless, tried to rape a man. It was this Hispanic guy who came from a family where I think his mother was getting beat, and I don't know, somehow he wound up on the streets, and he was in high school. And the fucked up shit is that with the whole shit was just fucked up. Is that they deported, they sent this kid. He lived in Oklahoma. They didn't really get in depth with about his family, but clearly his mother was getting beat, whatever. So he was out on the streets. I don't know if his mother got put out, whatever. And there was somebody in the school trying to help him, and somehow he got deported, and he speaks no English. They deported this boy, not out of the country, but to fucking Phoenix, Arizona. And I say all that to say, see, these are somebody's children. Like this, see, this is the shit that you know what I'm saying, that you have to think about, because when you have children, money is involved. Bitch, do you have money for that? Not only that, are you mentally ready? Is the man that you have this child with, are they mentally fucking ready? Like, it's a whole lot of motherfucking factors, bitch, when you get ready to have fucking children. And then, you know, sometimes you could be thrust out there to do, you know what I'm saying? This and that. Pray not. Some people aren't mentally ready. They're not physically ready. They're not spiritually ready. They're not financially ready. And how dare you say that there's a law that says that a person can't have an abortion? Little white man, sit your little ass all the way down and shut the fuck all the way the fuck up with your nasty ass. And also with the pedophilia shit. So anybody can get married. What do y'all think about these laws? This is the questions. Okay, so I'm about to get off this shit. Do y'all think that it's okay for these laws? The women can't have abortions? A law? And also, do you think it's okay for this law to be passed there where you can get married at any age? It's a law, like any age. Anybody can come up there and be like, and mind you, it's like I said, there's so many different factors. Somebody can come up and get married because maybe she ain't got no money. Like, who knows? They could be like, anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Please let me know. Oh, and also, people, I finally got my website up. Yay! It's seductive / it's gonna be down in, is that a slash? No, dash art.com. Seductive art.com. I'm having my first seductive art workshop. It's gonna be in a very intimate setting. There's only a small amount of people that I'm allowing in. So once all the tickets are sold, that's it. You can go to my website and check it out. The location will not be disclosed until you purchase your ticket. However, ladies, I can understand that you're concerned, but there's no need for you to be concerned. You're going to be in a safe, fabulous place. If you have any questions, you can email me at realfashion@yahoo.com, and you know I can help you there. But once you purchase your ticket, you're definitely going to get the notification. Also, it's only you can't bring no friend if they ain't buy no ticket. No, and it's only women only black women only black women only for women, black women only for women. That's it. So it's gonna be, we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be informative, and it's gonna be interactive. So we're gonna have all the conversations. I'm gonna put some shit in a bowl. And I'm gonna let people pick, because we only have 2 hours, and we got 3 phases that we got to go through. First, we're gonna do the visual symbolization. We're gonna talk fashion and all that shit, because y'all know I'm a designer, fashion architect, and all that little shit, and also bedroom fashion as well, and fantasy makeup and all of that. Then we're gonna get into this real sex talk. I'm gonna have some shit in the bowl. I'm gonna let like some people pick. We gonna talk about that. Or I'll leave it up to if they don't want to do that. However y'all want to do, y'all just want to put something on the table, share experiences, whatever we get. And we're gonna be in a safe space. There will be cocktails, wines, light hors d'oeuvres. You know, it's gonna be fabulous. We're gonna have a great time, ladies. And I slashed the price 80%. It's only $20. $20. So y'all come through with your girl. This is the seductress sass intimacy coach. All that old good shit. Y'all know. Oh, this is one of my designs. This is real nice by Real All Things Fresh. Oh wait, where is it? It says it on the shirt. Nope, over here. Bomb. What that say? Real nice by Real All Things Fresh. I felt like that was cute, but I put that there. You know, you look over your shoulder like, oh, okay. That says Real Nice by Real All Things Fresh. Hi. So yeah. Thank y'all. Y'all already know how we do this. Yo, be kind, be curious, be considerate, be of goodwill, be a part of the community, be a part of the solution, be a great lover, wife, husband, cousin, friend. Be good to yourself, be of good mind. Be about, oh, excuse me, be about your motherfucking money. Be knowing when there's some fake ass, fuck ass motherfuckers around you and get them motherfuckers out your goddamn life. Be fashionable, be chic, be stylish, be sexy, be fierce, be fearless, be on time, be focused, be aggressive, be opinionated, be about your motherfucking business, be great at whatever you do. Be inspiring, be inspired, and just most out of all the shit, be motivated. That's another one, and all the other shit. Be happy, bitch, and most importantly, because happiness is a choice. Be you, regardless of who you around, regardless of who the fuck you. You understand that? Yeah. So anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Peace, and I hope to see y'all. It's March. What the fuck am I saying? April 30th, which is the last Saturday in April. I hope to see y'all there. Peace. You can get your tickets at Eventbrite. I'm going to have it down in the description. Peace.